Today we're painting 2 branches of leaves to unwind. You need the colors brown, green, and optionally yellow to create more tints of green. Have your brush, a jar of water, a paper towel, and watercolor paper ready, and take a comfortable seat. Start with the branch and wet your brown paint. Make sure your paint is a good substance of water and paint, so not too watery and not too thick or dry. Paint the first stem with the tip of your brush and a light touch, so you create a thin line. Paint a stroke in an arched shape instead of a straight line, because that doesn't look really natural for a branch of leaves. Now paint small branches coming out from the main stem. Really let them come out of the main stem so it looks natural instead of random strokes across the stem. Clean your brush and pick up your green paint to paint the leaves. Leaves always come from the stem or a branch, so start from that direction when painting a leaf. Paint each leaf by starting at the end of a branch with the tip of your brush. Press it while pulling the brush in the direction of where the leaf goes and release softly, so you end up back into a point. No leaf is the same or perfect. Just create different leaves in the same way by adjusting the level of pressure and timing of releasing your brush. By pressing and pulling shortly, you create a shorter leaf. Here I create a thin leaf by pressing softly. And you can create thicker leaves by pressing harder. Use different tints of green by adding a little brown or yellow to your green, as all leaves don't have the same colors. Create a second branch of leaves. Here you can create a double leaf. So you start first with the first stroke of a leaf. And then you add another stroke at the bottom of this leaf. You can leave some white space in between so it evokes the nerve of the leaf. Now create a second branch of leaves. Remember, no leaf in nature is perfect or the same, so don't expect your leaf to be exactly the same as these leaves. By evoking its shape, you can already make it look like a leaf. Just make sure to have these basic strokes in mind. Start with a thin line, then press and pull, and end in a point. Press and pull, and end in a point. Press and pull, and end in a point. Play around with this technique by pressing harder, softer, shorter, and longer. Take the time and enjoy the brush strokes.